Hi again. So, you are considering installing the stair lift for yourself or maybe for a loved one, and you're just wondering how it works, how much it costs? Well, this video is to give you the basics so that you can make educated decisions. Of course, the lift depends on the users. The lift you need depends on the users, and for instance, the weight capacity that you need will have an impact on the cost. The more weight capacity you need, the stronger the construction, the higher the cost. But actually, the biggest cost driver is not so much the user, it is the staircase itself. Either it's a straight staircase with no turn at all, or it does have turn, it's a curved staircase, and it's a completely different story. We use the same word, stair lift, for either a straight lift or a curved lift, but actually they are two different animals. And here is why. A straight stair lift runs on a straight track. The track is made of a big extruded piece of aluminum, basically. We have that in stock, we just cut it to fit. We can install next day, it's easy, quick, standard. A curved stair lift is different. Because there is no two curved staircases the same, the track has to be fabricated to fit your very staircase. Now it does two things here. One, it takes time, about a month. Two, it's a special order, labor intensive, it costs money. So when we can have a straight stair lift installed for anywhere between $3,000 and $6,000, a curved stair lift is more like between $10,000 and $20,000. If you have just a L shape, like one turn 90 degree, you'll be in the low end, more like $10,000, $12,000. If you have this large custom spiraling staircase, that will be more like between $15,000 and $20,000. So that's basically the price range that you get. So now say you're lucky and you have a straight staircase. Really straight, not with a middle landing, otherwise it's a curve. So you have a straight staircase. Next question is, what about the bottom? You understand that for the chair to go all the way down to the first floor, the track has to go all the way down to the first floor too. Which means it will protrude by 1.5 feet past that lower steps. In most cases it's not an issue, but in some it is. Like there is a doorway there, or it's a small hallway, a high traffic area. Well, you cannot have a track across the doorway, can you? So now you need a folding rail. And folding rail add cost, anywhere between $800 and $1,600, right? Yeah. So there will be a video just for folding rail, because there is a lot to explain about that, the benefits, the pros and cons of different versions. Hopefully this video has been helpful already for you. If it is, I'm happy. Please leave a comment or ask your questions. If you are in the greater Houston area, do not hesitate to call us for more questions at 832-701-0101. Thank you, and see you next week.